Today from Galoob Toys, we got some mobile infantry. Starship troopers. We got we only got one figure. Come on, you damn dirty apes. You want to live forever? Let's go. Only good bug is a dead bug. We got Bug Thrasher Carmen Ibanez with fire rocket launcher. And she looks like she coming with 1, 2, 3 guns and a knife and like a little tactical vest she can wear too. That's a lot of accessories. You know how girls are in their accessories. They gotta have accessories, right? Prepare for a battle. A massive army of alien bugs has launched an all-out meteor attack on the planet Earth. Would you like to know more? Battle the bugs for survival of the species with Johnny Rico and elite commandos of the Roughneck Battalion. Rico's Roughnecks, the Starship Troopers, are humanity's last hope. They'll keep fighting and they'll win! With fire missile action. Got Bug Thrasher Carmen Ibanez. Carmen trashes and blasts bugs with her nuclear rocket launcher on the bug planet. Nuclear rocket grenades, emergency space pack, survival gear, extermo knife case hardened for penetrating bug shells to be used only as a last defense. Auger K2323B handheld rocket launcher made from lightweight Palladium composites. The Auger K23B portable rocket launcher packs a lethal punch, firing Omega class nuke tipped rocket grenades. This weapon is capable of taking out an entire brigade of bugs and anything else around. Omega missiles can be laser sighted, computer directed, or GPS guided for extreme accuracy. Extreme. Battle the alien bugs for survival of the species. Collect them all. They have Jetpack Ace Levi, Firestorm Johnny Rico, Toxic Raider Ace Levi, Mega Marauder Johnny Rico, Cyber Commander Sugar Watkins, Bug Thrasher Carmen Ibanez, the Electronic Warrior Bug, the Electronic Tech Fighter. From Galoob Toys, 1997 Galoob. Now Galoob, it's new from Galoob. So this, I don't know if they made a cartoon. I don't think they did. I don't think they made a cartoon line of Starship Troopers. Well, they made some animated movies now, but I think this is basically from the TV, from the movies, which they made a lot of different other movies after the fact. But this is mainly from the very first movie. Because back in the day, everything had toys. All movies had toys, even if the movies were catered and made for adults. Movies had toys. So this is like a backpack thing. Okay, I thought this was like a tactical vest, my bad. This is a backpack. It looks like you can hold. Oh, I see. Cool. This one's good. Because the backpack can hold the knife and it can hold the rocket launcher. Sweet. But she can also... Nice. Alright. That's cool. Then we have this weapon, which is the projectile one. That comes with not 1, but 2 projectile missiles. Because at least this line was smart enough to know kids will probably lose these. So let me give them 2. Now on the negative side... Okay, never mind. I thought on the negative side it doesn't go back all the way, but it does. So, whoa, man, that fires far. It's all the way over there by the garbage can. Man, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. Good shot. Then she also has this rocket launcher, which she can hold. She's got it where she can hold it in one hand or two hands. Then she has this other gun, which is in her hand. But you can take it out of her hand, and you can kind of move it like sideways where she'll be holding it this way, two-handed. So that's cool. You can, and she can hold the backpack. Which I think this actually I think is supposed to be able to not sure how that was supposed to work. Unless it's just to prevent her hair or whatever. I'm going to dress her up and see what she looks like. Alright, first up, you have this thing that holds her knife, but it really doesn't hold her knife very well. And you can't really put a gun in it. I mean, you could like that, but that's kind of dumb. You might be able to put this one in there. This gun kind of fits. If you do put a gun in there, you'll have to put it weird like that so the guns don't fit in there. The knife fits in the backpack, but not very well. And the backpack, I mean, I like the feature that they fixed the backpack where it wouldn't, where her hair, it would mess up the sculpt of her hair, but it doesn't hold the, you can't put guns in the backpack, and you can't put the knife in the backpack very well, so that was kind of a design fail. First up, we got her with the rocket launcher, which she can hold with two hands. You can flip it over. She can hold it the reverse way. She can hold it with one hand. Next up, we got her with both the machine gun and the rocket launcher, which she probably realistically wouldn't be able to hold all on her own. But it does look cool. She can even kind of hold her gun like you would in a troop stance. So that's kind of neat. Then you've got her, of course, where she can hold it two hands. Of course, you can flip it either way. So you can have these guns in either hand, either or, it doesn't matter. Now you got her with the rocket launcher, and the little knife sword, and she doesn't hold the gun very well. She really doesn't hold the gun very well. She might hold it better in the other hand, I don't know. So, all in all, the figure's pretty decent figure. It's good stuff. It's from Starship Troopers line. Now, things I would improve is gave it some joints with its arms here, like elbow and knee joints, so it can move, and maybe have its hands move too. But the gun's great. The accessories are good. The gun that it fires great. The accessories are pretty decent. The toy in itself is decent, I would say. decent. And it's a decent sculpt. It's not that bad. Doesn't necessarily look like the actor from the show, but it's fine. So that's pretty good Starship Trooper figure of Carmen Ibanez. Comment down below your favorite Starship Trooper character, favorite Starship Trooper movies. They made a show called They did make an animated show for Starship Troopers, but it's called Roughnecks. So you would think they would make Starship Trooper Roughnecks action figures. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. I don't know. Anyway, but these are actually for the Starship Trooper movie, which was made for adults. So that's weird. Anyway, remember, God's good all the time. All the time, God's good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Jesus loves you. Jesus is God. This is a good figure. Starship Troopers is a good series of movies. I mean, it's supposed to be a parody, but and the movies are nothing like the books. I don't know, decent figure. Remember, God's good all the time. All the time, God's good. Jesus loves you. Keep on gaming. Jesus is God, Jesus is Lord. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Keep on collecting. And everybody have a great, wonderful day.